ama ya frɛ wo ye nsɛm a apie ye wo Bantama constituency ushia delegates and come on and some of the elements in some by any be former Chief Justice and the member of parliament Bantama Asenso in your statement and also once can say or more connive afansa CB and exactly what you said no pay you need to 4% yet na
you see any media for the Mocha any panel say all the weather you say only Asenso akonaibo. No, that is not what I meant. And I said they say Emisa Chief Justice. Now me there to come out say assassin na mafu sound if you na no tibuno na isi. What I'm saying is in fact Chief Justice and the reason say Asenso say oh man in fact, if you know, if you say a judicial service, 87.9 Kumasi. The Chief Justice went extra mile by appealing even to national security to come in and say, I didn't know Asenso, and yet. The way I say, or the Kofi Baswa, or Mafa, a Yina, or Musi, so I was expecting, say, a car, thank a Chief Justice, to supervise the cassette. Onu di onimu hohe na say BC. But the way a man for cry interpret here, almost say ni ameka no just say Chief Justice he say need the man also cast wa kuna ibuni. Chief Justice rather resisted Asenso. Say o man fa ade no. Na judicial service here obema another Supreme Court judge akotra. And Asenso did not. And it's open secret and paying for authorities in the they know. That's not making no correct. And the Chief Justice there, he was rather doing the state a favor. And did not mean me yes, I or nobody ever out because one of the what you are not super far, but even the way it came out a month for if he said Wakunaibo, he said, Wakunaibo. And yes, I'm here. Chief Justice and were resisting Asenso say, oh, my name for Dino. Because the first time, no Chief Justice, if you know, Chief Justice in New and Asenso bad Chief Justice, he ever told me, I catch him, he said, a down no more farmer, Supreme Court judge, no more at all.
Oh, I see. I Matthias Yapa.
Yeah, no matter. He want the Chief Justice actual letters to those who matter. Say, no, Abia Asenso, and yet. No man, but Obi and County, a barrier banner, or mobile, not seen. As I'm saying, you are aware that is what the guy is doing. And they serve Asenso by the or the idea much cheap. No one who shake no man investors. Yeah, no much. Why? It's wrong.
But honorable, but who said Ministry of Works and Housing, I responded to what someone can, but when your statement to be.
I said, I'm so obedient or respond to when you or a bribe of 40,000 cities or no see a ticket, Obi a ticket will fear. Oje bribe me at the Kotu account 40,000 cities. India for and Kotu GT bank account to Mamanana. You should shut up before I come out with a lot.
No, but this is a statement from the ministry that a government programmer all year and I'm more edit those lands. Yeah. Government
program. Into judges Roman got 9. Judges Roman got 9. You see, the more I'll try to be defended, the more I'll bring more regulation. Will be beautiful. Sana and case about it. No, I have to pray, and the regulations will just come. Now, me and Kasa India for boom, they say he asked them to go and put 40,000 CDs into the account, in his account. GT Bank. Under the another 7.9. Let me say, and as I see, I met Drew, or yeah, I met Drew in India because I can be there where the main function will we have to that. Obi a wo say yatete anti uvie yatete wo no yase koje bribe me yemfa yen transfer scan go to account onim say they can trail it. or no, you answer your ticket, maybe. But everybody should leave. Ministry, no, so yeah. Ministry, please, let me finish. Ministry, yeah. I'll take them on and I'll bring the list of all the properties that they sold. How much went to the government? They should come and tell us. And how much is the market value of the property? Almost a government policy. Government policy, I'm not around this year's road. We are people in Arabia and Yamigan and Timeka. My ministry is a mistake. Because I have a lot of information and some funa homudi are buying independent abrasu and namuna mutimo beton at the end of the day. How much did they sell it? How much is the cost, the current cost or value of the end of motor? And the wine and now motor at the end of March. Ministry, Omuni Munyansa Gombe Din. Comedian, I'll fight for this country. I don't care.
Some information when you know we are gonna favor to produce that information to the special prosecutor so bet me investigate here. Me investigation chair special prosecutor. Information about me chair special prosecutor. Onu kraba me money. Masa. So you are ready to assist to offer special prosecutors our details in now.
Me no obakura me feel, but me and Kasa will put it out there, put it out there. Me kwasi adwuma e wa ha e ma obi. Omo ni ngukura so mbeka say government policy. Sikasa no me to Bank of Ghana for the government.
We are aware of that government redevelopment program no. We are aware.
It's a redevelopment program. Redevelopment program. What you are near the two. Sometimes minister to them Kurumko Minister beat them Kurumko Sheni. Omutu no bisa so mutu ade ne say. Now upon what ministry nso mo for mo make. 87.9. Cantonments in Sasi redevelopment. We want to know the owners of the redevelopment, so-called redevelopment at all. They should keep quiet. My dad, my dad, but ya tell me, see, I dream woman. This Ghana will die for this country. Will not allow anybody to take over this country with tax and everything. A small boy will say, "Oh, the kill me. I know. Why you kill una? Oh, my BC to account. Oh, Ghpage 40,000 cities. Oh, my to account. GT Bank. When you say GT Bank, Asenso or account for one. Bank and to deny, I'll bring the evidence.
Yes, I understand. But before Sobekon, we'll say, I had it on Comedy anymore. I want to delegate. I also say, over supported party now, campaign, I'm a party noir. Just say, Dr. Machopoku Prempe, a running mate.
I want to running mate there. I'll put everything aside in campaign. Yes. Men am car.
I didn't hear.
Yeah, because Charlie, why you two and two party man? Who share who come office? Any part lie. Any the way. Me na nupo oje. Who say he brings the party people together. Again, or anybody or confidence or taste. So who you be upset when you be na po bar. Why you simple crowd and watch any issue? Obi an any be sano. Who didn't call say Yanya Ghana year or shut me home and what they Ghana. This is how I check people. This is how I check people.
Well, he's the only person obey coach my convince us that actively provide everything for the party resources be anwa you do it.
Yes. Yeah.
Now everyone can say one kasa in person no. Oh yeah running mate and Quebec come on. This is grassroots.
Okay.
Because per 2 years, I just say grassroots. I mean, okay, all right. Okay, but I'm for your name. All about Canada in Japan and Edin Komo. Just clarity kakra and I need about the Chief Justice there okay. And how I report next year call.
My dear former Chief Justice, you should come out and let us know. Just a safu mafu sound. If you are no team or who you know, say or mafa. What kind of life is this? No more pompous. Namutu abama womwa. Womu anu na mosuse atantade. Menu ya mahane mema moshe. Yankopon nyansa odi bo nipa da sene bia mo so obi wo mutino. Bia emwa bia wunyaya na ama wasitire mutisa obi fi se sebi odi oni nyansa. Momi yentu abankire wo mu se enye da bia no bebu ekwase ya wo. Na sensuo to ye ne antia ade achi ya efoma foro ye hu motu aba no ma le se o mo de ye be chine mo koma na koma demo na sabi wadua dase nkuto nti January 27th no aba no apone ho no de ama ho no dimirika no akoto otu aban wie ya mike ye kura do be gasa no adum no emfie nan o hu biem some ka kire mo ana mo antie e ba bantima mo ye 800 and something motu abade ba mutie mi anka motu ne kesi ma mi woni on say ye wie ye amu cap o man kai mo Christmas amu cap oh sanya asantiman ahimfo any chairmanfo ministers executives ejiyire mu no entimi bisa endo fatia ana hajia se hajia entisa MPC no ebia o constituency MP there any obligation but omu behunu hunamu edisika dadam sem goto aba Christmas omu kan Christmas omukai mira enka yawu Yesu amayen aye di achade eno yanka eno kire se da bia no o pebibia firi hodia no wa ba onchen tuma me na ye ose o tuma ni wi ya se fa brede fu wa anyi miska the message ebi mo timi ka kire o se wo coordinator na ofro catching said me what them fear be 5,000 pay. Go and tell him coordinator no as you are a dean of coordinators Osama ni Koshian or Medina. I don't like lies. Who make 5,000 free wo obi be tie me bia o se mo ma go and tell him say me na kai me pese mo hu ni pesuban me pese mo hu ni pesuban I tell him to come out and challenge say asemi nyane ko. These are the people you are dealing with. Don't come and meet me. Baba share me feel how I beg you 5,000 and you are gone. Waka jira. Media me say, make kanukure ewu. Make kanukure ewu. Me bese obi a order da wono uhunu suban. Enuti na me bo amane no. Obi a order da wono me bese uhunu suban. Send your order down or 5,000. They will be or some money could share or Medina. A house was a G. And no, I got you say, Mama. All for 5,000 all for 5,000 You see, these are the people who say MPP party. These are the people who say NPP party. I mean, Israel, Mekan, Kurachino, Opatie, Opamentie, Ochina, some young Shishomo. I feel I'm more patcho, like in Agyapong, on Kasai, Nobel campaign, now as you on your campaign. Some was in the Nimukasa. And then Obia Nimukasa, the 10 seas of Agyapong. Let me man in Kasa, where I never knew a coming in Kasa. My team, Michael, Muamunquai. Omu Pana, a commerce, Yomusu, and will Kumasia Bontinsu, at his side, Conede, and Omu come. And then Mutua baby, Busumi, my ma. And my good them, it is a no credit, no credit. Omu Pomo, your man, Katikati, let me stay away from this campaign. and we shall see what will happen. Friends say, I got the boy, you be a desert. What is a Mikasa? That's been baby back. Mikasa, that's the other day. What is it? Say, my dear, and I'm very many. And my business, or sincere, and I'm married. Oh, campaign with you. Meme boss, or the me bar. MPP money. Me busu ani bia afa ni etra bia we. Enye titi eyi. A boss Kojo from Asiedu. And so 5 days ago and we they are offering price so on President Kofi the last Eastern Regional Minister. On me ba MPP. May he so rest in peace. And in America I say, menuano. Emra du say obatu abama obi a ono so ekene na aya di utirimu yaw se matua batua bantima e friend Florida na a champa breso companochi children's ward that was see since 1974 up to now is uncompleted. The MPs, the ministers, all party chairmen and gurus in this country, they should bow down their head in shame. So, and now, Otunfo, and now, Ecos Resika, and the other complete with all your politicians. Challenge me today. Say, and now on the 12th. Say, Utuma, Minya, Rafa, I will continue. I will build it to complete it. I'll build it to complete it. And Penfosi Abesi Usu and Keshoma. Maybe Mashamuma already, if he said. And more doctors Ebehumi. Asenso is the minister MP here. Confirmatory Hospital, Eshenes. Why is it that a mere open machine oncology department essay? Now when Timmy uncle Triesica and pay Amawo. Besides that, at the 19 MPs, about 47 in this region, Obian Timmy and Yatima, Ama Asantemai, Sir, cancer a Kumunipa, intimation Yanni Jim to Boakye, Nayanko service. It took only Agyapong from Asenso, a village constituency, to pay $145,000. Where are they? Ukomufia, Oma Tokasa, somehow, and a beer wire tutu, Yansen Yumuti. Omo Yuni Pao. Nia Womo and Casa Bedienti. So, Umuchiro, they don't care. And don't keep me call home who said Nipa Gufom. Hospital one Gufom. And a touchy and a Triesca. We have got to top mattress, pillows, bedsheets. Now the oncology department is saying, Obia obeba or yare cancer. So obewu, so obe yankwa, so obeda from kwadi, mama na mattress. Me we President Kofi emergency ward that was here. Now almost short beds. I went back last year April and donated 200 hospital beds to Companochi. Where was Asenso? Where were they? All these MPs and ministers. The message. Obi Yawa, Oginomoho. Tisanya Raf, Eginomoho. Me do not fear a tuneful. Says so percent we are successful member of parliament. First thing, you have to give respect to your people. First thing, me obeti me kasa me ko radio so gbegba defend the MPP. Oba me via etumi puto kontomre na me kwa wusu so atwi. Na ma no akobi na yimu nchine. Me a chige ne ne de gusu ya bop ma pesi. Wow. Na me ni omo nyina ate ho na yedidi.